Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a good day everyone. Today I would like to present about manufacturing strategies. Intro. Manufacturing strategy has increasingly been regarded by academics and practitioners as having an important contribution to make enhance competitiveness. Three main reasons are identified for this newly found importance. One, increased pressure owing to the growing international manufacturing competitiveness made more intense by the recent movement toward globalization. Two, increased potential to be gained from the development of new manufacturing technologies, the potential of which grows much faster than our ability to use it for competitive benefits. Three, development of a better understanding of the strategic role of manufacturing. For my presentation, my motor company is Mika Motor Company. Mika is the third automotive company assembling and manufacturing industry in Malaysia. It all began in 2010 when Tun Mahathir Mohamad, the ex-Prime Minister of Malaysia, mooted the idea. Mika tied up with Ford is expected to put the company back on track with the introduction of much-awaited SUV named Anaki, slated to go on sale by end of 2019. Mika Motor Company, a dedicated engine machining and assembly building, where they complete manufacture and assemble cylinder blocks, crankshaft, and camshaft for the camper engines. Alongside the main plant, the Seremban Manufacturing Complex hosts a multi-vehicle factory. Now Mika produces 4 products: Mirza, Aras, Dios, and Alzi. Recommendation: develop a long-term strategy effort to create a national system of industrial assistance to improve the manufacturing performance of smaller companies should recognize the importance of creating a coherent system and not just increasing the number of assistance facilities and service providers. Appropriate elements of centralized coordination and control, in conjunction with decentralized and distributed management and direction, are needed to create an efficient, comprehensive system of assistance resources. Expansion should be governed by quality, not quantity. A national system of assistance can only be successful if it is supported by and responsive to the customer base, and manufacturers will only support if they believe the advice they get is high quality, with a long-term objective in mind of providing access to assistance for any manufacturer who wants it. The emphasis must remain on ensuring that high-quality assistance is provided. Long-term political support is essential, and infrastructure to help significantly improve the manufacturing competitiveness of smaller companies must have consistent support and facilitate the political process that go beyond partisan politics. Manufacturers will not support a program that is perceived to be the latest fad or an outlet for political favors. Periodic self-examination of all the elements of a national system for manufacturing assistance is essential to remain flexible and adaptable in the face of rapid changes in the manufacturing base. Any assistance system must be able to examine its own effectiveness and adjust specific objectives as circumstances change, periodically as the economy, technology needs of manufacturers, and the positive influence and effect of the assistance program itself are felt. The specific objective and certainly the metrics for measuring performance need to be reviewed. Benchmarking. First one, strategic benchmarking, where businesses need to improve overall performance by examining the long-term strategic and general approach that have enabled high performance to succeed. It involved considering high-level aspects such as core competencies, developing new products and services, and improving capabilities for dealing with changes in the external environment. Changes resulting from this type of benchmarking may be difficult to implement and take a long time to materialize. Performance or competitive benchmarking. Businesses consider their position in relation to performance characteristics of key products and services. Benchmarking partners are drawn from the same sector. This type of analysis is often undertaken through consultants to protect confidentiality. Process benchmarking focuses on improving specific critical processes and operations. Benchmarking partners are sought from best practice organizations that perform similar work or deliver similar services. Process benchmarking invariably involves producing process maps to facilitate comparison and analysis. This type of benchmarking generally results in short-term benefits. Functional benchmarking. Businesses look to benchmark with partners drawn from different business sectors or areas of activity to find ways of improving similar function or work processes. This sort of benchmarking can lead to innovation and dramatic improvements. Internal benchmarking. It involves benchmarking businesses or operations from within the same organization. Internal benchmarking provides access to sensitive data information. Standardized data is often readily available and usually less time and resources are needed. There may be fewer barriers to implementation as practices may be relatively easy to transfer across the same organization. However, real innovation may be lacking and best-in-class performance is more likely to be found through external benchmarking. External benchmarking. It involves analyzing outside organizations that are known to be best in class. External benchmarking provides opportunity of learning from these who are at the leading page. This type of benchmarking can take up significant time and resources to ensure the comparability of data and information, the credibility of the finding, and the development of sound recommendations. International benchmarking. Best practitioners are identified and analyzed elsewhere in the world. Benchmarking partners should be chosen such that they produce valid results. Globalization and advances in information technology are increasing opportunities for international projects. However, the result may need careful analysis due to national differences. In conclusion, to assess the relative role of cost, differential, and other factors in global manufacturing, the committee has relied on its members' experience in major multinational corporations, received input from experts in industry not represented on the committee, and reviewed relevant literature and statistical information. By focusing on three of the most internationally competitive manufacturing industries, the committee has tried to highlight the extent and importance of the developments taking place in global manufacturing. Although generalizations must be approached cautiously in economic activity as diverse as manufacturing, no two companies are alike, let alone whole industry, the committee believes its analysis has illustrated many of the forces at work in global factory site selection. Thank you.